Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Ensem esisi nkrofo ababonten abekasa. Accusations and allegations no there. Etiefo se esuni kese befu na nini name no efa eye Koku Anidohu ene a current NDC communicator bia wono nso ye frɛ no eye Jifa Gunu be sure say mumu bebre na mo atene very young and vibrant NDC communicator on social media. Na Koku Anidohu nso ye ne anim say we NDC for wo former deputy general secretary. Now assembly ni si ye edien ena aba ena trese ye de allegations ka se Koku Anidohu wono kra no wo de mahama akojuju so na nini nemu no esansa mempe se ebe se me na make nti metre mo ewo mu screen nim na mo ehu say yes enkrofo ne nsem a wo mo a ka no na me di bibia atro. Now you are seeing on your screen right now the Twitter timeline of Koku Anidohu. Now Koku Anidohu you be currently yenim say he has a fallout with the NDC. Into eya na wabeto jab, eya na wabeto jab. Now wabetro ensembi na nsema wotro ye no misusu say no ene koka NDC fo akoma announce into yende ye di revelations ni allegations kese bono. Now nini Koku Anidohu etro nsembwe. We say Ghana has a president and vice president. Ghana has a speaker of parliament. We now have an MPP majority side of parliament as declared by the speaker. Ghana has a chief justice. It is only sick minds that will say that Ghana is a banana republic. This is what Koku Anidohu said. Ebiana will be in tears and as I say, Koku Anidohu de wakana adwen adentina NDC for womubuefu. Now, NDC currently, including John Dramani Mahama and some top NDC personalities, say Ghana is becoming a banana republic. Yaka say, or mind be ye banana republica. Trese or mine sebe, embra enye juma bium. Dear abayne pe and awaye, mutihwa near the soldier for ababe sesamo, mutihwa near the police waba unim na wakasa, efa opinion bi hu or mine moa, yenimu bedi, now so mine moa kasankasa. Ebia aban nipa bi eye bibia yenye ne hwe na so outside the bi ya nti ye no yaka banana republica. That is what the banana republic is. O man ni bibia nkoso enyama say ye say nti no the NDC are making the case say Ghana is now turning into a banana republic. Mama wati say NDC mpanyifo including John Dramani Mahama omo ye nkrofobia they pass comments like that. Says here senior Ghana aba ye no dane banana republic o enyo ye ne na ye kasa nti Koku Anidohu kasa say wakan say woni kura eye ne say be Ghana ba be dane na Ghana dane banana republic bia no say be nipa kono o wadwen mu yawe na tre say indirectly with the NDC mpanyifo atem including John Dramani Mahama with the NDC executives atem wo ka say Ghana dane banana republic no because I say wo ka say Ghana dane banana republic no sebe o adwemu yawe it is asem we no kan ya na sebe ka NDC fo na koma wo mo say na wo Koku Anidohu sebe yen yesusu say ye wo wa power nanso wonnye kom ubedi atem ende ye ne wo ebedi inti no Osha Koku Anidohu sanso trotro nyama bebree ekeka nsem bebree. Now, ntene ne ma NDC wo communicator bia ye friend Jifa Gunu ono nso ne Twitter timeline ni. Nsem bia wo de tu udwa. Me pese me read chemu nenim ni very young guy. Na oyobi a eba NDC nsem wo social media ene ejai. Enye easy wo de na koma di echi pa. Asema wo train wo say Koku Anidohu on several occasions akọ eduro so na eduro so a wokọ ye no nini na wode Mahama ena ekọ okọ eduro so a enkonkosi aga ye read nsem a wokan na nkwanko ye say Melodies me na me kasa ahye sebe obi ano. Now asem a wokan wo say Koku Anidohu eni wo say Koku Anidohu you have the courage to insult President Mahama who has always been a good brother to you despite your unending hatred for him. Asem we na nipa koneka se Koku Anidohu ende de o wa akoma wodi di Mahama atem. Why? Because mama wati ase say Mahama aka say Ghana eda ne banana republic. Kokwa ni do hu so aba abonje abeka say woni kura wo ka say Ghana da ne banana republic bia no na adwen mu ya wiewom na to say indirectly we di Mahama atem. It was kokwa ni do you have the courage to insult President Mahama, who has always been a good brother to you despite your unending hatred for him. Have you asked yourself why upon all your trips to Togo and Benin to juju him, John Mahama, keeps failing? I will tell you why. It is because he has a very good and clean heart, full of love. As some an allegation Jifagunu Walker and say. Now, let me say this. Allegations, we know nothing about it. We are just reporting the story. Jifagunu Asama Walker and say, Kokwa Nidohu, Mahama Trena wa donan so still what time Mahama sin bibia na enam otane so ama wode Mahama ekọ Togo eni Benin se wo kwa akwetu na eduro na wodu ho no wotu Mahama eduro a emfa otu Mahama eduro a emfa because Mahama wa akomapa into wotu na eduro a enye yie. I say all your devious deeds against John Mahama will never succeed unless you turn a new leaf. I will speak my mind, and if you like, you can report me to your newfound friends, the police and the NPP BNI, to arrest me. As for me, unlike you, they will not find evidence of and nude photos of myself and ladies on me and my phone to blackmail me with. Another allegation was say Kokwa Nidohu embra munyamoka embra na woye NDC deputy secretary ye chie no opesa otre say ye hu infoni Kokwa Nidohu we just say one naked adeja was sending amamba amba nso sene wo modi ama no ye sanso hu wi e wo ne ho ensam a Jifagunu Walker no nti o say wo no Jifagunu no Kokwa Nidohu betumi akobo police for manese ye mbeche ne ye beche na ye hu wi ye hu infoni bia eye adeja ewo ono ni phone so. I say indeed it is only men with sick minds who will abandon their families for months and plot to kill the mother of their kids. Now, because Kokwa Nidohu used sick minds indirectly from John Dramani Mahama no, ono so ka se nekre e mema asabe wo mo wa adwemu yare no, wo mo e na asabe wo mo wa womo be abandon enkola no ene womo maame. Now, was say who abandon their families for months and plot to kill the mother of their kids. Not to say wo allegibium say Kokwa Nidohu say or planning say wo kun wono kra ne ba maame oba woni na wo. As when you lost your daughter Sichupe in that fatal accident on the 7th of November 2020, I felt sad for you because it is said that parents look after their children to be responsible adults, so their children will look after them, and if God permits, the children will bury their aged parents. But you, Kokwa Nidohu, could not even go bury your own daughter. You disappeared and was nowhere close burying her, nowhere close during her burial, but only went to her graveside later, took pictures and splashed on social media. You are very heartless and evil. Your evil deeds will confront you on this earth, and I know you are already facing judgment here. Another huge allegation Jifagunu Eka, and they say on 7th, I don't know whether 7th November indeed Kokwa Nidohu ne babia ye friend Sichufe ewuye, but just Kokwa Nidohu babia ye friend Sichufe ewuye on 7th November. Na Kokwa Nidohu we sense wo wadwemu finti no eye ne kra wontumi anko na wo wie no share da ko gina ho ko twitwa pictures no de betu social media na nkrofo be fi say eye no okoye na so eye no wanko asemu a Jifagunu Walker no was say as for your deeds with Monique Sandra Ejavon of Ho ADB, I will wait for your case to be over. I pray that Sandra will not allow you visit onto Nunana and Nukunu what you have done on your late daughter Sichupe. This is the beginning. You can no longer use President Mahama as your punching bag or your friend, and they can come to be writing rubbish about John Dramani Mahama. You have been cautioned. As someone walking, say another allegation say Kokwa Nidohu wo baby wo honzo your friend Monique Sandra Ejavon a wo ye adwuma wo ADB wo ho na wone ne wo ma mienu na ade a wo de aye ne ba na wewu ne friend Sichupe no eni kwa say Sandra ne pene na eho na Jifagunu no wo be posti Sandra ne picture wo no Jifagunu no na Twitter timeline na otro ye Dear Koko Anidohu, please say hello to Monique Sandra Ajavon of Ho ADB for me. Let me pray and come. It's here for assembly in any. Media, I have nothing to say on this matter. Me di ni na bremo. Mon share mo adwen e wo comment box ni mu. Me da ase.